Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, so as always, if you're watching and recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start, and today we will be exploring our basic right to love and to be loved, represented in our heart chakra. In her book Eastern Body, Western Mind, Anodea Judith writes, "We may be a culture obsessed with power, but we are driven by the need for love. The basic right of the heart, to love and to be loved, is simple, profound, and direct. Sadly, this chakra is easily damaged, diminished, or wounded in the course of our lives. And these wounds have profound importance as they wound both spirit and soul, affect both mind and body, and impact the very core of the self. Being loved by another, be it a romantic partner, a friend, or a beloved pet, increases our experience of self, as we are reflected in the eyes, words, and behavior of that being. Suddenly, we catch a glimpse of our own divinity, our specialness, and begin in a new way to truly care for ourselves and feel a sense of pride and purpose. We take better care of our bodies, keep our houses cleaner, and dare to reach further than we might otherwise. Love brings a spiritual awakening, and the loss of love produces profound despair. The heart chakra is located right in the middle between the lower three chakras, root, sacral, and solar plexus, the chakras that are grounded in our physical self, and the top three chakras, throat, third eye, and crown, the chakras that represent our divine self. And this chakra, the heart chakra, serves as the connection between the physical and the divine in us. The task of the fourth chakra is to reunite mind and body, the mystical and mundane, self and other, into an integrated whole. So let's do a practice around that now. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body and notice how you're feeling today, physically, emotionally, mentally. What's going on for you right now? How are you? Let your breath be nice and easy. Don't try to control it. Close your eyes. Root down into the earth. Feel your connection with it through your root chakra. Feel the support that the earth always provides. Breathing slowly, start noticing the sense of being you, the sense of your unique presence. Repeat after me, maybe putting a hand or both hands on top of your heart. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So right now, I'm okay. All is well in my world. At your heart center, visualize your fourth chakra. You may imagine it as a sphere of green energy, rotating slowly and radiating light in all directions. How much space can you take up with this energy? Remember that this is our connection between the physical and the divine, and with each breath cycle, allow this green light, this energy of our heart, to expand further and further out from within your body into the world around you. Let this energy be as big as it wants to. Repeat the following affirmations after me and notice how they resonate in you. My heart is open. I feel grateful. I see beauty all around me. I express my love freely into the world. I accept myself just as I am. It is easy for me to receive love. I am surrounded by love. I have the right to love freely. I have the right to be loved. I am love. Continuing with the visual of the green light, this green energy of your heart emanating from your heart center and all into the world surrounding you, going further and further out. And we will complete our practice with a bija mantra for the heart chakra. The sound here is yam, Y-A-M, yam. We will repeat it 7 times. As you recite this mantra, let yourself expand more and more into your right to love and be loved. Yam, 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 yum, yum. Before we finish, let's do a round of loving kindness practice towards ourselves. You may want to put your hands on your heart and repeat after me. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and free. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you go through your day today, notice all the love you can witness, the love that is directed towards you, the love that surrounds you without having anything to do with you directly, the love that you emanate into the world. And of course, notice the ways you express love for yourself. See if you can allow more and more love into your day by simply being aware of it. And remember your right to love and be loved. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. I will see you tomorrow.